Ulm is a hidden gem that offers a lot of exciting activities and captivating sights. It is a city that welcomes everyone at any time of the year. Until the Second World War, the cityscape of Ulm was characterized by a centuries-old imperial city building, culture with numerous architectural monuments, especially from Gothic, Renaissance, and Historicism, and some Baroque and Classicist buildings. The medieval old town of Ulm was one of the largest and most important in southern Germany. This traditional line broke towards the end of the Second World War, with the extensive destruction of Ulm by air raids. The cityscape of Ulm today is characterized by the mixture between preserved or rebuilt historical buildings and streets on the other hand and modern architecture on the other. Ulm is a city that seamlessly blends rich history with modern delights. Local trains and buses provide transport to the public. The main shopping street begins at the train station and leads to the famous Ulmer Münster Church. There are a lot of shops in the old city center where one can purchase a variety of goods. Almost everything one needs can be found in the city center markets and specialist shops, so even finding something nice to take back home won't be a difficult task. Ulm is also equipped with enough stylish hotels and restaurants within the city and its surroundings. There are a lot of other fun things to do in Ulm City to make your tour or vacation pleasing. You can take a tour around the city's architectural buildings like the Ulm Münster and the Ulm City Hall. The city is known for its Gothic cathedral, whose church tower is the tallest in the world at 161.53 meters. The Gothic cathedral with the highest church tower dominates the cityscape. Though the towers and all decorative elements are of stone masonry, attracting the attention of visitors, most of the walls, including the facades of the nave and choir, actually consist of visible brick. Therefore, the building is sometimes referred to as a brick church. The inside of the building also reveals rare artistic treasures, including the 15th century choir stalls, the pulpit, the high altar, and the stained glass windows. The Ulmer Rathaus or City Hall is another sight not to miss in the city. It is located only a few minutes walk from the cathedral, and it is covered with some very colorful murals that date from the mid-16th century. It is relaxing to sit in one of the cozy restaurants near the city. The ambience makes the dining experience worthwhile. The tables are already placed outside, waiting to be occupied. A few meters from the Rathaus located the historic city wall. It is along the banks of the Danube River. Before you reach the wall, you will pass through the Ulm's Leaning Tower known as the Metzgerturm, or Butcher's Tower, which is a rectangular tower with a height of 36 meters and an inclination of 3.3 degrees. Between the ornate half-timbered houses of the old town and the river, you can stroll there wonderfully enjoying the scenic view. During your walk, you will pass some very beautiful sights such as the beautiful half-timbered houses. The city is welcoming, the people are friendly, and it offers many interesting things to enjoy and experience. There is magic in every corner of the city. Sites such as historical buildings and world-class museums will definitely win your tastes. Indeed, Ulm is one of the perfect tourist destinations where history, beauty, and charm collide to create a beautiful city. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Johnny's channel. Until my next travel, cheers!